I would like to appeal to consumers that the 30th of September 2012 deadline for phasing out all counterfeit mobile handsets is fast approaching. And we are happy to inform you that the government has no intention of extending this deadline further. Please respond to this unique campaign, turn your counterfeit phones, and take advantage of the current affordable handset prices.